In this video, you'll learn how to remove Microsoft To Do from your Windows computer in just a few simple steps. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly, so even if you're not very familiar with Windows, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, make sure your computer is on and you're looking at your desktop or the taskbar. To get started, move your mouse to the bottom left corner and click the Start button. This is usually the Windows logo. Once the Start menu opens, you'll see a search box, or you can just start typing right away. Now, type the words To Do into the search bar. As you type, Windows will begin looking for any matching apps installed on your system. You should see an icon or entry labeled Microsoft To Do appear in the search results. Take a moment to make sure you've found the correct app. It should clearly say Microsoft To Do, not something else. When you see the Microsoft To Do app in the results, move your mouse over that icon. Instead of left-clicking like you normally would to open it, you're going to right-click on it. A right click is usually done with the right mouse button and brings up a small menu of options related to that app. After you right-click on the Microsoft To Do icon, a context menu will appear next to it. In this menu, look for the option that says Uninstall. This is the command that tells Windows you want to remove the app from your computer. Go ahead and click on Uninstall. When you click Uninstall, Windows will usually show you a confirmation message or open the Apps and Features settings page with Microsoft To Do already selected. This is just a safety step to make sure you don't remove anything by accident. If a confirmation box appears, read it briefly so you understand that this will remove the app, then click Uninstall again to confirm. Once you confirm, Windows will start the uninstallation process. This usually only takes a few moments, and you might not see much happening on screen besides a brief loading indicator. You generally won't need to restart your computer for this type of app, but if Windows suggests a restart, you can save your work and restart later. When the uninstall is complete, you can check that Microsoft To Do is gone by clicking the Start button again and typing To Do into the search bar. If the app no longer appears in the results, that means it has been successfully removed from your system. If it still appears for some reason, make sure you selected the correct app and repeated the uninstall step. Occasionally, Windows might show a leftover entry until you restart the computer, so a quick restart can help clear that up. And that's all there is to it. You've removed Microsoft To Do from your Windows computer by searching for the app, right-clicking it, selecting Uninstall, and confirming the removal.